अरे चुप रहो, मैं अपॉलॉजी नहीं करने वाला हूं कुछ आपको. यू कैन गो टू हेल. नो, दिस इज इनफ नाउ. नाविका, आई एम नॉट apologizing. You can remove me from the debate if you think I have. The start of this Murshidabad entire riots, Sagarika Ghosh, and you can check her tweet, blamed the people of UP and Bihar. Today, this fact-finding report has shown that it was the TMC leaders, not the people of UP and Bihar. But what is Mr. Ashutosh Verma saying? No, it's the people of UP and Bihar who are responsible. एंड लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिचुएशन हैंडल करना किसकी जिम्मेदारी है, केंद्र की या राज्य सरकार की साहब? और आप टीएमसी के स्टैंड, मतलब यूपी बिहार के लोगों ने ये राइट्स किया है, इस पर आज अडिग है. यूपी बिहार के लोग देख लें कि अखिलेश जी की पार्टी क्या कह रही है. दूसरी पॉइंट पे मैं आना चाहता हूं साहब, एक तो वाक्य बोल देते, खड़गे जी ने छुटपुट बोला उस पर. सर मैंने आपके बीच में नहीं, आशुतोष जी और अ वेरी रिस्पेक्टेड रीडर, मैंने आपके बीच में नहीं बोला. आशुतोष जी,
he didn't say that, please clarify. He didn't make that statement.
मैं बता रहा हूं, आप सुनते, कान में हड़ताल है क्या? अरे कान में हड़ताल है, दिमाग में हड़ताल है भाई. मैं कोट कर रहा हूं. Please, can you please have him?
Yes, Ashutosh ji, you have not said it. I have asked him to quote. I have asked him to quote the person who has said this. आपने नहीं कहा. और शहजाद को मैंने कहा है कि the responsibility of quoting.
I don't understand this thing.
Will be on him.
I have been very clear, and I am not interrupting. By interrupting, he is wasting other panelists' time. Can I make my point?
आशुतोष जी, आप सुन लीजिए, मैं आपको काउंटर का पूरा मौका दूंगी.
This is not the way to debate. You have your say, you attack the anchor, you interrupt everybody, and then you play a damn big victimhood card. Ma'am, this has to be called out. Enough is enough. Even the
You
BJP
make
has
your point. You make your point, Ashutosh ji. I will give you time to counter. I will give you time to counter. Shehzad, make your point.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कान खोल के सुनिए मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं. सागरिका घोष, टीएमसी की एमपी ने बिहार के लोगों को दोष दिया. स्टॉप yapping in the middle and listen.
Please, let's maintain. No, let's maintain.
But how is my voice going to be heard?
No, but let's not.
So he will not maintain
the decorum of the show.
I am also saying maintain the decorum. Don't interrupt me.
Okay.
Now let me complete my point.
Yes. You don't shout on me. You don't shout. You can't shout at me.
Yes.
You can shout and abuse the anchor.
No, I'll fight my own battle.
Navika, can I have an uninterrupted time? Yes or no? You tell me, I will speak. Otherwise, I won't.
Ashutosh ji, Dr. Ashutosh.
Bullying by Samajwadi has to stop.
1 minute. Ashutosh ji.
No.
Please, I'm giving him 30 seconds. After he completes, I'll give you 30 seconds.
Thank you.
Please. Yes.
Sagarika, again this man has started. Is this man a drone or is he a spokesperson? He keeps landing in the wrong area.
1 minute.
Apology करे तभी आगे बढ़े.
चुप रहो, मैं apology नहीं करने वाला हूं कुछ आपको. You can go to hell. No, this is enough now. Navika, I am not apologizing. You can remove me from the debate if you think I have heard. Now let me complete my statement. Navika, I am.
But he did not say your name, sir.
No.
He did not say your name.
You can take whatever offense you want. I have not said anything and I am not yielding and I am not apologizing.
He did not say your name, and then I have clarified. Then I
He's
have
not letting me explain or
Shehzad, you are also
Yes,
not letting me speak.
let me
Please
speak.
allow me to moderate.
We
If
can do
somebody
this
is
one by one.
agitated, I have to
Why
handle.
are we mollycoddling a person who's interrupting and accusing
Well,
me?
this debate will run according to the rules that I set. You're not setting it, and Ashutosh ji is not setting it. 1 minute. Hold on. Ashutosh ji.
He can't quote me without saying this.
I have quoted him. What is he saying?
Ashutosh ji, may I explain this? May I explain this, Ashutosh ji? उन्होंने आपको कोट नहीं किया, उन्होंने सागरिका को कोट किया था. सागरिका.
अरे आप मत कीजिए, जिसने गलत बोला है वो बोले ना.
तो आप उसको तो बोलने नहीं दे रहे ना, तो इसीलिए मुझे बोलना पड़ रहा है.
आप क्यों बोल रही हैं बीच में?
क्योंकि मैं मॉडरेटर.
अरे भाजपा के प्रवक्ता बोले, आप ना बोल रही हैं, आप क्यों भाजपा के प्रवक्ता बन रही हैं?
You have to call this out.
Ashutosh ji, then now listen to him say and repeat that, please.
And keep your patience. First of all, Sagarika.
Let him apologize that I am not quoting that word.
But he didn't say it.
I am
What
not
is the
apologizing for
apology
something
about?
I haven't said. You have wasted 10 minutes of the debate on your nonsensical rhetoric.
आप रिवाइंड करके देख लीजिए.
रिवाइंड करते रहना.
मैं रिवाइंड करके क्लिप ला रही हूँ. आप बोलिए.